Make a great choice today with the 2021 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.